Today we're taking a look at another germicidal ultraviolet upper air fixture, this one by Light Progress, and this is the 75-watt UV flow fixture. This upper air fixture by Light Progress has a really sleek design with the stainless steel exterior and then a honeycomb filter on the front of the fixture that helps to shield anyone in the room from exposure to germicidal ultraviolet energy, but also directing all of that energy into the upper portion of a room so that it can be as effective as possible in disinfecting the air. One more great aspect of this particular fixture is that it's really easy and simple to install. The brackets for installation are on the side of the unit, and so it's really easy to determine where those mounting holes need to be placed, and then to in turn mount this on the wall in the space that you're looking to install. Upper air fixtures are an excellent application for places where you have people coming and going from a space. And the reason is that all of the germicidal ultraviolet energy, that though it's harmful for our skin and eyes, is directed to the upper portion of the space. And what happens is, as the air circulates through that zone, it gets disinfected. So upper air fixtures are really designed to help reduce transmission of pathogens, because any droplets that are carried in the air or any pathogens that are in the air are deactivated as they go through that zone. One of the most important factors to consider when using germicidal ultraviolet fixtures is keeping people safe who are either using those fixtures or may be in a space where those fixtures are being used.